Okay, so now you have your trust variable listed here, right? And so now you can start doing some data analyses. The first thing I ask you to give me is some norms and some variance measures. And so you can do that in SPSS. You do that by clicking on Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then click Frequencies. So Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then Frequencies. Okay, and then this data window will open up. The variable that we're going to work with is your trust variable, which we have labeled interpersonal trust. So you move that over, and then you click on statistics. So we want the mean, the median, and the mode. These are the measures of central tendency that we want. We also want the standard deviation, the range, the minimum, and the maximum. So that's going to be the person who scored the minimum, who has the minimum score for trust, the person who has the maximum score for trust, what that value is, and the standard error of the mean. And then you click continue. For now, well, we can do the histogram as well. Charts, so to create the histogram, because I asked for a histogram, you click on charts, you click on histogram, and then click continue. So again, you click on charts and then click histogram. You can see that it would give you a bar graph or a pie graph if you wanted that, but we want a histogram. And then click continue. And click OK. And so it gives you the output. Here's the mean. Here's the median. Here's the standard error of the mean, the mode, the standard deviation, the range, the minimum score that someone got, and then the maximum score. That's all of that. Remember, when you report these answers, APA format is 2 decimal places. So you're going to have to round these off to 2 decimal places. You can ignore this because I didn't ask you to give me any cumulative percentages. But I do ask you to give me the histogram, and I also ask you to tell me if it's positively, negatively, or normally positively skewed, negatively skewed, or normally distributed. So you'll take a look at that and tell me what you think. Now, depending on how your data comes out, your histogram may look a little different from mine, obviously, because the data is different from what you have. You will copy this. So if you do copy, and then you can paste this into a Word document because I want the actual histogram. You can either copy and paste, or you can hit print screen and put it into your page. Okay. So after I ask you for all of that information and to interpret it, I ask you for measures of variability. So the first measure of variability I asked for is the split half. Now, to do a split half variability, remember you take half of the questions on the questionnaire, and you total them up, and then you correlate them with the total of the second half of the